Hey there, retro game enthusiasts. Are you looking for a new addition to your gaming collection? Look no further because I've got the perfect product for you, the retro portable mini handheld video game console. This awesome little device is packed with 500 classic 8-bit games that will transport you back to the glory days of gaming. The 0-inch color LCD screen provides a vibrant and clear display, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games with ease. The compact and portable design makes it perfect for gaming on the go, and with a battery capacity of 500 mAh, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted gaming, fun. But that's not all. This handheld game machine also comes with a range of accessories, including a removable battery, AV cable, data cable, and a manual. And with a variety of colors to choose from, you can pick the one that best suits your style. So, why wait? Take a trip down memory lane and relive the excitement of classic gaming with the retro portable mini handheld video game console. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of gaming history. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic product today. Let's dive into the world of nostalgia together. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and gaming content.